So how do you give access to your Google business profile? Well, it's going to be very quick and painless. So make sure you are logged in with your email address that you registered your Google business profile with. And then just do a search for your business name, and this should come up. And then just click the three dots, click on business profile settings, people and access, and then click add. And then just type in the email address or group ID, which is a bunch of numbers, and select whether you want them to be able to add other people or not. If not, then just choose manager, click invite. They will receive an email, and then they will be able to log in and make updates, optimize your profile, so forth and so on. And then obviously if you're an agency, send this video to your client, and it's going to be quick and easy. All right, I hope this helps. Take care.